if you're new, what's up? Today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this bomb fro. Quick, easy, super simple with just a few perm rods, and yeah. And if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching this video.
Alright, so I'm starting off with dry, crusty, musty hair per usual, so I'm just putting it with water. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into 3 sections, one in the front, 2 on the side. Ready to tangle this first section, so what I did most of my hair, because if I was to do all my hair on camera, then that would take 6 years. So I used like Cantu coconut curling cream, and I just rubbed that all in my hair. And if my hair was too dry, I just spent a little bit of water, not too much, just to get my hair a little bit damp. I used my Denman brush, and then I just brushed it out so the product to distribute evenly throughout my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start twisting per usual. Then I'm going to leave an inch or 2 out, and I'm going to use my Cream of Nature foaming mousse or something like that. And I put that only at the ends of my hair. And then I'm going to take a gray perm rod, and I'm going to wrap the ends of my hair flatly on the gray perm rod, not spirally, because if you wrap your hair spirally, it's going to give you a different type of curl. So that's why I wrapped it around flatly. Then I'm going to put some more Cantu on the perm rod so it could just have a more firm hold. And then I'm just going to repeat this process throughout my head.
Fine, she be fine. Oh no, oh no, girl, you make me colo. Oh no, oh no, girl, you make me colo. Shaking the ass like colo, spreading money like colo. Even the day colo, things are on your colo. Show you kiss kaba, kiss kelebete, kiss koloboto, kiss kaba, kiss kelebete, kiss koloboto, kiss kaba, kiss kelebete, kiss koloboto, kiss kaba, kiss kelebete, kiss koloboto. We just wanna party, we don't wanna hide. 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 Money don't need go my joya, baby. Ẹ kàn mọ̀ pé sọ fún pé gbẹ̀dú tó lè gan ni o. Sọ fún wọn pé sọ fún wọn ló fẹ́ mi. I give it to you if you let me, and I can tell you. I give it to you if you let me. Money don't need go my joya, baby. Ẹ kàn mọ̀ pé sọ fún pé gbẹ̀dú tó lè gan ni o. Sọ fún wọn pé sọ fún wọn ló fẹ́ mi. I give it to you if you let me, and I can tell you. Nobody be like one day. 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 Kiss kaba, kiss kelebete, kiss koloboto, kiss kaba, kiss kelebete, kiss koloboto, kiss kaba, kiss kelebete.
So it's the next day, and I'm going out, and I'm just going to take out all the perm rods first. And then I'm going to take this argan oil from Shea Moisture, and I'm going to rub it all on my hands just so it can reduce frizz as I take out my twist. So I'm just going to first unravel each twist, like just one by one. And then after that, I'm just going to go into sections, and I'm just going to basically, I guess you could say, part or separate each section so that like it could get bigger. Separating your hair helps with volume, but in this particular hairstyle, I didn't separate it too much because I really like the curl definition in my hair, and like over time my hair will get bigger. So yeah.
Oh my darling.
So once that, I take a blow dryer and just blow dry my roots just for some extra volume, because honestly I like the pick, but the blow dryer just gets the job done, especially since my hair is so thick. So I just run the blow dryer on the warmest setting, and I just blow dry only the roots of my hair, and that really helps a lot with the volume. And I just pick it out, and then that's just the final look.
Kiss kaba, kiss kelebete,